Let's understand slowly what is what. Assuming we are all very new to database, let's understand from the scratch what is database and why we need it. This is Sai Panindra from SQL School. I assure you practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. Either you opt for our live online trainings, in-house classroom, or hybrid model, online versus self-paced videos, whatever. I assure you practical sessions from scratch, right from the basics. I need your support. On-time practice required throughout the course. Please. Let's get started with what is database and why we need to go for it. Then we'll slowly proceed for the details of our course and the upskill plan. First, let's understand what exactly the database is and what are the job roles. Here it is. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no exceptions. In olden days, we used to store data in PDF, Excel, Notepad, etc. But when it comes to big data, we need something like a database, more secured, more faster, and more powerful. There are many types of databases. To start with, we have two basic types of databases: OLTP, to store live real-time data. Remember the first technical term, OLTP, to store live real-time data, online transaction processing database. To store live real-time data like live temperature, live stock market, anything live. And other one, we have data warehouse, to store old historical data, inactive data. I repeat, OLTP to store live data, and data warehouse to store historical data. From here comes our job roles. Any database project, any project that involves database and storage, we have three important job roles: developers, engineers, and analysts. Developers will be involved in design of the databases, OLTP databases, and we have database engineers or data engineers involved in design of warehouse, DWH databases, to report the data, to perform the reporting activities of both OLTP and data warehouse, mostly data warehouse. The reporting activities will be taken care by data analysts. So remember, data analysts are more into reporting. Remember, developers, design of OLTP databases, data engineers, design of data warehouse databases, also called big data. Analysts are responsible for reporting activities. Now, how to perform these database activities like design, reporting, etc.? There comes DBMS, database management system, to build and design databases, manage, access, analyze, secure, monitor, troubleshoot, and AI implementation on databases. We need DBMS. So example DBMS include SQL Server, Oracle, Postgres, Sybase, Informix, DB2, so on. Different companies came with different brands, different products of DBMS. and we choose SQL Server, which is comparatively cheaper and easier to implement. I repeat, DBMS is a software to manage and maintain databases. Now, to operate on these databases using DBMS software, we need to have a platform, a colorful platform called SQL, Structured Query Language. It is a platform to communicate, to touch databases, to store, manipulate, report databases. Data engineers, database analysts, data engineers, developers, analysts, data scientists, DBS, everyone, we need this SQL. So this SQL is a starting point of our course. Either you opt for analyst or data engineer, Azure or Fabric data engineer, or SQL developer job roles. This SQL is the must, the first one, MSSQL, Microsoft SQL. We learn Microsoft SQL, then we'll proceed for either Power BI or Azure or Fabric or into core development activities next. So SQL first and remaining things next. We'll do it slowly, step by step. In our MSSQL, we have total 30 concepts we need to master. We are right now in the introduction, our intro class today, the demo class. We are in the concept 1. I need to provide you the download links and help you with the installation. Then we'll do together practice part. 20 examples first chapter, 50 examples second chapter. Paired with questions, task assignments. After that, SQL basics will slowly proceed for data types. Type of data, like when to use which data type to store your data correctly. There are digital data types, text data types, and we have date data types, time data types, etc. Different type of data can be represented easily. Once we learn concept 3, 4, 5, manual data storage, we'll slowly proceed for concept 6, Excel imports. We read data from Excel, load it to our SQL database, understand how to verify, how to filter, how to report. Then comes something called schemas, constraints, which is nothing but RDBMS concepts, indexes, joins, view, queries, procedures, functions, triggers, and detailed architecture. To understand concept 15, detailed architecture, we should be thorough with all items from 3 to 14. Then we need to look from job perspective. We have something called linked servers to do remote joins, transactions, query blocking, and temp tables. Synonyms: group by, joins, queries, queries with subqueries and joins, union, self joins, something called cascading keys, normal forms, merge, rank, window functions, common table expressions and cursors, and Excel analytics. These 30 concepts with 2 case studies should make us ready for Power BI, Azure, Fabric, whichever items you would like to opt for. I repeat, those 30-point checklist will make us ready for the next item in your learning process. What is that? Either you go for Power BI, data analyst job role, Azure data engineer job role, or fabric engineer job role. Remember, data engineers are responsible for data warehouse design, the second database type. Data analysts are responsible for reports, design reports and dashboards. Data analysts need an additional technology to add value to their resume, Python. Data engineers need Power BI in addition to their core engineering technology. If in case you are fond of coding development, you may go for programming job role anyway. But remember, whatever 30 items I was showing you in the previous screen, this one, all these 30 are mandatory to step into whichever item you would like to opt for. Either you go for data analyst job role. Excel is a part of our course. Excel integrations. Data analyst has its own certification, PL 300 from Microsoft. SQL first. Same way, data engineer. Azure data engineer is into big data, cloud computing, analytics. SQL first, Azure data engineer next, then Power BI. Or fabric data engineering involves fabric activities. Now the difference between Azure and Fabric. Azure and Fabric both are clouds from Microsoft. There is a difference. Azure is easier, simplified, easy navigation, simplified, cheaper, and stable data engineering technology in the market for more than a decade. Azure. Fabric, a new technology from Microsoft, costly. When you compare with Azure, it's costly, but it has more AI components, Copilot and AI components as compared to Azure. Azure also have AI, but Fabric has more AI and Copilot dependency activities. Azure follows open source AI, OpenAI. Fabric follows Microsoft's AI brand called Copilot. If in case you are planning for some experience in your resume, then choose either Azure or Fabric, anyone. Usually we go for Azure because we can showcase some experience in the past, dated in the past. Say last 2 years, last 3 years, we worked on Azure. We can tell like that. It's old, we can tell. But Fabric is new thing, right? So we cannot say I have 4 years experience, 3 years experience on Fabric. We cannot because it's a new one. Choice is yours. Either Azure or Fabric, Power BI would be a common thing. I repeat again, final note. We are going to start with database concepts, SQL, MSSQL activities, detailed architecture, tuning concepts, procedure, functions, so on. That will make us ready for either data engineer job roles or data analyst job roles or fabric engineer job roles as per your comfort, as per your choice. If you are fond of programming, then yes, you can opt for the developer course. Anything you take, any module, things should be in detailed step by step. I value your time. Please value my effort and practice on time carefully. The detailed course plan will be sent on email for every concept, like what we are going to learn. In each concept will be sent on email. Kindly go through it carefully. Next comes our installation activities to proceed. Before we proceed for installation, I need to provide the software. The prerequisites: Windows 8 or higher operating system with 6 GB RAM. 6 GB RAM. If you are using Mac, please enable Windows or install a virtual machine. For best practice, good to have Windows operating system. May not be immediately now, but within next 1 week you get it. First SQL basics you can practice in our online server also. First 1 or 2 weeks it's okay. Up to first 2 weeks you can practice in our online server. But as we proceed further, for the main concepts from 3rd week, the main concepts need your own Windows OS to make it more useful and lovely examples. Let's recap once again what we did so far till now. Okay, then we'll get some clarity. We'll proceed from there carefully. To make it more clear, this is the notes to be sent to you on email. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data in a secure, faster, organized format. There are different types of databases. OLTP, to store live real-time data like live temperature. Data warehouse, to store old historical data, past temperature data. OLAP, online analytical processing database, predictive analysis and forecast, like for example weather forecast. HTAP, hybrid transactional analytical processing database. OLTP plus data warehouse plus OLAP. Here comes the concept of live forecast, like for example Google Map. We have Google Maps. Just open Google Map, you will see the live location. Live location. You give some point for you to travel, and that gives you ETA, expected time of arrival, and the past navigations. Mixing OLTP, data warehouse, OLAP together is equal to HTAP. Now, to make it more easier, let's have a small diagrammatic representation of these databases. Here it is. The birthplace of data, files, websites, IoT devices, Internet of Things devices like our mobiles or television, any Wi-Fi enabled device or Bluetooth enabled device, apps, cloud. From various sources, we bring data into OLTP, live data. We store active data here that can be reported by data analysts. Over a period of time, we need to have this live data into godown, history, warehouse. Data warehouse. There comes big data. Warehouse, say data warehouse, data lake house, data lake, etc. Various storage items that need ETL technologies: extract, transform, load. I repeat, extract data from left, database and non-database, transform, shape it carefully, load to the right warehouse. From there comes reporting, analytics, AI implementations, Copilot, and so on. This is a complete end-to-end journey. Data engineers are here, ETL and big data storage with Power BI extension. And data analysts will be here. Read data from various sources with Power BI and extension Python analytics. So our MSSQL classes will be helping us for Azure, Fabric, Power BI, as well as Python analytics. I'll take you back to our notes again. Here it is. We are learning what is database, types of databases, and common job roles. There are 3 common job roles. We have SQL developers, OLTP, data engineers, big data, cloud computing, ETL and data warehouse, and analysts reporting. To implement these job roles, we need SQL, a communication platform to operate on any database. MSSQL, a variant of SQL. What is it? A variant of SQL. A type of SQL that can be used by Microsoft databases. MSSQL is a type of database. MSSQL is a type of database platform, database technology to talk to Microsoft products. We are going to learn SQL first, then we are going to learn MSSQL next. Okay, one by one, slowly, step by step. Here it is on my screen. SQL first, a variant of SQL called TSQL next. Okay, we'll do slowly. SQL first, then TSQL next. T means transact SQL. Next, we need a software to perform these activities, that is DBMS. Database management system, it's a software to design, manage, and administer databases. DBMS is a software to design, manage, and administer databases. Then what is SQL Server? It is a DBMS from Microsoft, very user-friendly, cheaper, free support, and free cloud features with support for cloud and AI components. Installation, I will take care, including the AI component installations, I will take care part of the course. Versions of SQL Server 2022, 2019, these are the latest versions of SQL Server. You'll be receiving the required downloads today on email. Editions of SQL Server: Developer, Evaluation, Express. Free. We'll be using Developer and Evaluation in our classes. If anyone from self-learning background, you might have Express edition that won't support our course. Very basic for academic learning, academic projects. For student programs in colleges and schools by Microsoft, they use Express edition. It won't support our classes. We need developer and evaluation, free editions in your computer. I'll guide you how to do that. And enterprise license, you have access to our online server. I repeat, just like iPhone 13, 14, 15, various versions. And in iPhone, we got Max, Pro, Max Plus, editions. Those are all the flavors, editions. Same way here in SQL Server, various flavors. The highlighted items will be taking it in our classes. Next. Okay, here it is. Then we have other one. Okay. Prerequisites. No specific prerequisites to enjoy our classes. We'll start from the very scratch from the installation. But make sure we have Windows 8 or higher operating system. If you have a MacBook, please enable Windows inside Mac. Some means or the other, maybe through a virtual machine, VM, or parallels. There are different ways. You can also go to Mac Help and search how to enable Windows free of cost in Mac. You'll get the required steps how to enable Windows in Mac. It's free of cost. It's supported by Mac Help. Get your Windows ready so that we can have a good resume with one-to-one clarifications, nice project FAQs, and so on. Final part. We'll go for doubts clarifications next. Before that, here is our notes on my screen now. We are into the introduction. Now, we need to slowly step into installation next. After installation, then we go for basic activities one by one. SQL basics. I said 10 queries. So we have different levels of those queries. We'll go for the queries one by one to understand from the scratch carefully. Third chapter 10 queries. Fourth chapter about 50 queries, 50 queries. So that we are technically ready to proceed with our actual classes. You have assignments. You have to submit your practical assignments on time. My kind request. There's something called Excel imports. The notes will be given in advance. You take print copy of the notes. Something called data types, schemas, constraints we need to learn, indexes we need to learn, something called joins, views, procedures, functions, triggers, architecture. We need to learn something called as cursors, additional data types, common table expressions, normal forms, self joins, so on, including tuning options, cascading keys, remote joins, group by queries, and good amount of scenarios. Once we learn all these items, we are ready for our actual core concepts, just like snacks and main course and dessert. Really, it works. I repeat, we are going to start with the actual snacks MSSQL concepts, the starter. Then comes your main course, either Power BI or Azure or Fabric, whatever. Then comes the add-on. Your project includes the middle one, Power BI or Azure or Fabric, majority 80%. That's a main course in our project. But a step into that main course, we need the MSSQL concepts. So need your support. Things are very simple, straightforward. I'll try my best to make sure things are clear, and I request you to practice on time carefully. Need your support, please. Over to you now. Please let me know how many hours you can practice per day. That is my first question, please. Tell me, friends, please, mic with everyone. Please, how many hours you can practice per day, everyone, please? Let's go for Q&A now. Let's slowly step into installation together in an interactive mode. Please, everyone, how many hours you can practice per day, please? Please, minimum 1 hour, everyone, please. I'll wait.
Yes, 1 hour. 1 hour.
Yes. Oh,
Sure. Others, please. Okay, 1 hour. Please, others,
yeah,
please.
1 hour
I'll wait.
daily.
Perfect. Then
1 hour.
fine. Then I am with you. Then my course is for you. Really. Others, please. I'll wait. Minimum 1 hour, everyone, please. Others,
2 to
please.
3
I'll
hours.
wait. Sure. Sure. Yeah, Rakesh. Others, please. I'll wait.
1 hour.
Sure, madam. Susan. Yes, I can. Yeah, I can hear you earlier. Yeah, thank you. Others, please. I'll wait. Others.
Yeah, nearly 1 to 2 hours.
Perfect. Then fine. Minimum 1 hour, madam. Minimum 1 hour. Enough. You have assignments from today itself. Whatever you learned so far today, you have assignment. We have assignments every day. So need your support. You have to submit your assignments on our website every day from scratch. Slowly. We'll start our assignments from today. We'll do slowly. Yes, please, others. Minimum 1 hour, everyone. Please, please, others. I'll wait. Others, please. I'll wait. Fine. Let's continue. And next, Vikram Rakesh. Which course you're actually opting for, sir? Please let me know. Like, is it Azure or Fabric or Data Analyst? Which one it is? Let me know.
Fabric.
I'll wait. You're into Fabric engineering, right? Is it?
I
Yeah.
was looking for Azure data, but my preference would be Fabric data.
Wait. We'll go one by one, sir. We'll go one. Vikram
Okay.
Rakesh. Yes, Vikram Rakesh. Like you said, like Fabric, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure, sir. Fabric like with Power BI or without Power BI? Two options. Only MSSQL Fabric or with Power BI also. What's your take? Let me know, please.
Fabric.
With Power BI or no Power BI required? Let me know, please. Your choice, your comfort. Tell me.
So, I'll let you know while taking Fabric. Is it possible?
Why not? No problem. So for now, it's MSSQL plus Fabric, right? Isn't it? For now.
Yes. Yes.
Perfect. Noted. Yes. And Rakesh Kumar, please tell me, Rakesh Kumar, you're opting for which course, please tell me. Yeah.
Fabric data engineer.
Okay, complete engineering or without Power BI? Let me know, please. It's up to you.
Uh, honestly, Power BI I was taking separately,
Then
but
fine.
I was more interested in a Fabric data engineer only.
Got it. So you're looking for MSSQL plus Fabric, right? These two only for now, right?
Uh, honestly speaking, is it mandatory? MSSQL is mandatory with Fabric data engineer? Because
Not
I got a
mandatory.
good hands-on with
So
the
knowledge of
MSSQL.
MSSQL already, then you no need to join here. You can directly go for Fabric, not required.
Oh, okay, okay, yes, that's fine.
Okay. You're aware of MSSQL, brother. Then why to again invest your valuable time? Not required here. Directly
Okay,
come to our Fabric classes. That's enough. Okay.
that's what I wanted to speak to you regarding this. That's why I joined this one. I was
Then fine.
not
Yeah.
uh,
Tell me.
s- yes, so I was more interested to talk to you to just
Sure.
clear about this one. So thank you so
Perfect.
much, Sai.
Fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We'll go for Fabric directly for you. No issues.
Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
but revise your MSSQL concepts thoroughly. Okay. We need it
Of
actually.
course, of course. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah. For example, brother. For example, you go to Fabric. In our Fabric initial classes, I'll show you. In Fabric initial classes, you have something called time travel feature. In time
Oh.
travel feature, we need to, write procedures, stored procedures there. Okay, something like this.
Uh, uh-huh.
So we are aware of MSSQL concepts and fine, you can directly go for Fabric. No problem at all. That's how it is. Okay, no
Okay.
issue. As per your comfort. Yeah.
Okay. And how this Azure, because somewhere I read that Microsoft is deprecating this Azure Data Engineer certification
Yeah,
in March.
certification, like, yeah, the existing certification called DP203 is being deprecated by next month. And there is a
Yes.
subsequent successor certification already in place, DP700. It has Azure
Yeah.
also.
Yeah. And
Yes.
that's why they were saying, so instead of Azure Data Engineer, better to go with the Fabric Data Engineer. That is better.
From certification perspective, Fabric is better. From experience
Okay.
perspective, Azure is better. Okay, truly speaking.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Sai.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yep. And Padma, yes, madam. Which course are opting for, madam? Please let me know. Please, I'll wait.
Only MSSQL, sir.
Only for what, madam? Only MSSQL are learning. Okay, but for what? Which job role? Because let me tell you why I asked this question. We need to be specific why and how we are learning. Okay, yeah, is MSSQL only for like the analyst or engineer or developer or tester or admin? We should be clear so that I can provide the appropriate use case scenarios in the course. Please let me know.
Exactly, I don't know. Only one of my relatives offered me an opportunity in SQL. They said complete the course MSSQL and then join like that. They said.
No, please give our website to them and ask them to suggest you which course they wanted you to enroll for MSSQL. Okay, please let us know.
Mhm. Okay.
If it is clear, please. Padma, are you
Okay,
getting
sir.
it now? Yeah, please ask your
Yeah,
no the well
yeah.
wisher
Ask
for
them, they said simply complete MSSQL. That much is enough. Like that, they said.
MSSQL complete means again programming will come. Programming is 2 months.
2 months.
So just let us
Okay.
know. Okay, be clear. So give the website to them. Let them judge based on the content and the things. They can read it in a clear way, right? So they can let you know better. It will save your
Okay.
time. Okay. Yeah. Right
Okay.
time. Yeah. Let's be specific, like why we are learning and for what we are learning. The job role is important for
Hmm.
us. Yep.
Hmm.
Okay. I'll wait for you.
Okay,
I'll wait
I'll
for you.
ask them once.
Thank you. And Susan Kadiam, please let me know which course you're opting for, please. I'll wait.
I am interested in data analyst kind of roles, so I wanted to do MSSQL.
MSSQL. Okay. You want to go for the complete data analyst course or only a part of it? Let me know, please.
Only part of it into fintech kind of.
Okay, then only MSSQL is enough, madam. No Power BI and Python not required then.
Okay, thank you.
Because you said like you're into financial and accounting activities, right? Fintech apps and all, right? Fintech tool and etc., right? Isn't it?
Yeah, fintech, wherein it involves reporting and analysis.
I understand. For that, MSSQL is enough. Power BI not required. For now.
Okay. Yeah,
For
okay.
now.
Thank you.
Later you can contact me back maybe after 6 months or 1 year down the line. Once you wanted to change your job, at that time you can take only Power BI, right? It works. It will be easy for you.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for the advice.
Fine, madam. Thank you. And next, Susan, sorry, I think Sonu. Sohan Rawat. Please tell me, please. Sohan Rawat. Please tell me.
Yes, hi. So I will go for fabric data engineering.
Sure. MSSQL plus Fabric plus or minus Power BI. Let me know, please.
Uh,
Get to decide, go only for MSSQL Fabric
is
for
there
now.
any
You
is
can
there
add
any
Power BI later.
fee? Yeah, is there any fee constraint if I'll go for Power BI later on?
No problem. We are flexible. It's a la carte. Okay, no problem. No
Yeah,
issues.
sure. So currently we'll
Okay.
go for SQL and Fabric, then we'll
Sure.
later on we'll go for the Power BI as well.
If required at that time, right? You can do.
Sure,
Sure.
sure.
No problem.
Thanks.
Yep. Yep.
Thanks.
No. Yep. And Nayak, can you hear me, please? Nivedita Nayak. Please let me know, please. I'll wait. Nivedita Nayak.
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Madam, I couldn't hear you earlier, madam. Like, how many hours you can practice per day, madam? Minimum 1 hour, please. Minimum.
Yeah, I replied 1 hour. Might be you missed, but I
Oh,
said
my
1 hour.
bad. I missed it actually. My bad. Sure, next time I'll be more careful when I'm asking a question. Sure.
No, no,
Thank you. Yes, madam. Sure. Okay. Let me know, like, which one you want to go for? MS SQL and Power BI, right? Is it?
no. It's Azure Data Engineer.
Azure, MS SQL and data engineering.
Yes.
With Power BI or without Power BI? Your wish. Let me know, please.
Actually, I have knowledge on Power BI. I'm currently working on Power BI
Perfect.
only.
Then you can do only MS SQL and data engineering for
Azure.
now, right? You can do. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I ask, even I wanted to learn Python also, so can I switch between, like instead of Power BI, can I do
Why
Python?
not? You can do. Yes, madam, you can do. Yep, yep. We'll
Okay,
note
then
it down.
that works for me. Okay,
Surely. Friends, in
thank
the meantime, thank you. In the meantime, one email sent just now. Please check it, friends. I'll wait. For
yeah, let me
attendees
check.
going for MSSQL, you got an email. You got an email just now that includes download links. We need to have total 3 downloads actually. We need to have total 3 downloads. Kindly check. I'll wait. 3 downloads sent. Kindly check, please. I'll wait. Complete notes for today and tomorrow. There are Word documents. Kindly take print copies of them. And also 3 downloads. Just download, don't install. Okay, please do not install. Okay, we'll do the installations tomorrow together. Please check it, friends. I'll wait. Attendees have opted for MSSQL module for them already sent. Kindly check, please. I'll wait. In the meantime, Jennifer, can you hear me,
I
please? Check your mic, please.
Sorry to
Jennifer.
interrupt. I haven't received yet in my
Might be
email.
on the way, sister. Might be on the way. You'll receive it shortly. I'll wait.
Okay.
I'll wait. Thank you. Yep. Let's wait for a few moments. You'll receive it shortly. Jennifer, yes, madam. Can you hear me, please? Jennifer M. Kindly check. Jennifer M. Cannot hear you. Please check your mic, please. I'll wait.
Meanwhile, can I ask a question, Sai?
Yeah, Rakesh, please tell me. Proceed. Yes.
Yes. Um, my on the database side, I have more experience on Oracle side than
Oh,
MSSQL.
no, no,
So
no. It's not enough, sir. No, no,
uh,
please. It's not
so
enough. You need to have
yes,
a
exactly. By going through all your modules and everywhere, okay, you talk about the Azure data engineer, or you talk about Fabric or anyone. So I
Mm,
can see that MSSQL is the programming side. I felt like I think I'm not uh, that much. I'll say I'm not good enough for these courses with
I understand.
MSSQL.
Got it, Rakesh. It's one time, lifetime chance to learn something, right? Let's have no
Yeah,
compromise. Better to go for
absolutely
SQL with Fabric. You'll enjoy the actual things in a correct way. We can,
right.
I can reach your expectations. You can reach my expectations. Let's go together. Save. That's it.
Done.
Okay.
So in Fabric also, like again, I'm a little I'm not although since the last few months I was too much interested into the Azure data engineering. Okay,
Mm,
but
mm,
when I last month, when I read somewhere that okay, Azure data engineer, that certification is Microsoft is going to take that off from the list,
mm.
and they are going to do this Fabric one. So I thought of okay, why not go for Fabric? But still, from deep down from my heart, I'm still interested in this Azure data engineering only. So you are the better person to suggest me rather than me fighting with myself.
I totally understand, sir. I'll ask you 2 questions. Please answer me so that you can get the answer yourself. Number
Please.
one question. You are already working in one technology, right? Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Perfect. Now let me ask the question. First question. You learn a technology called XYZ. Okay. And
Right.
the question here is how you wanted to showcase this new technology in your resume. Is it like, yes, I have so and so experience, so like that, or I have only knowledge on that? How you would like to portray or broadcast? Tell me, please.
It's not knowledge. It's not just for the CV. It's like I want to excel in that area.
You want to excel over there, then my suggestion would be Azure Data Engineering. Let me tell you
Thank you
why.
very much. Thank you very much for
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you very
Azure
much
has
for
been in the market for more than a decade. It's highly stabilized, and there are crores and crores of clients.
yeah
Fabric
yeah
is a new one. Fabric is a
yes.
new one. Very few
Fabric
hundreds of
Fabric
clients
just entered
What my point?
kind of as compared to Azure
Yes,
data. Fabric just entered comparatively.
exactly. And we don't know what's going to happen next, right? Who cares? Who knows? You got my
Right.
point? And
That's
if
why.
let's say if your
That's
resume
why
says
you
Mr. Rakesh
always
has 2+ experience,
yeah
resume says Mr. Rakesh has 2+ experience on Azure, I believe. If
yeah
if your resume says Rakesh has 1+ experience on Fabric, no one is there to believe. You got my point?
totally totally.
Second question. If you go for Fabric, one more important thing. The realistic use case scenarios. Realistic use case scenarios. Of course, see, whatever we do in our course, or from Azure perspective, I simply replace Azure with Fabric. But there might be more than that. We don't know. It's a new technology, right? So
Right.
again, flexibility to learn more and more every day until it is stabilized.
Right.
Do we have that much time? Is the next question. Got it?
Yes.
It keeps
Thank you
saying.
for clearing me. Seriously, Sai. Thank you very much for that. I really want to go for Azure data engineering only.
Surely, sir. But one thing, whatever course you go for, sir, trust me, I'll do my duty, and you have to do your duty carefully,
Of
okay?
course.
That
Oh
is
yeah,
very
of
last.
course. Of course.
Yes.
Yes, of course. Yeah.
Perfect. Then we are on the same match. Okay.
Yeah.
Then let's go for
Yeah.
MSSQL plus data engineering for you, Rakesh. We'll do that way.
Thank
Okay.
you. Yes. I want to go for that.
It's fixed. Okay. Again, don't deviate yourself. No, no, no. Okay, please.
No,
Make it
now clear. You know what? Till now, I was like, okay, I was okay. When I read that news, okay, that changed my mind from Azure data to Fabric data, right?
clear.
But as when you talk to somebody who is in the industry and who has got a clear concepts, not like me, who okay, so it made me totally clear Azure data.
Got it. Let's make it clear.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do. We'll start
Yes,
from
thank you.
MSSQL from tomorrow, Rakesh. Okay. We'll do slowly,
Yes,
step by
please.
step.
Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Yes, friends. I hope you got the
And
email
please
in
send
your.
me also that link which you were about to
Yeah,
send
yeah,
to
yeah. About to, sir.
all the
About to.
MSSQL learners.
Surely.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'll do. About to. Sure, sure. I'll do that.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Email sent to everyone. Please check it, friends. I'll wait, please. Fine, friends. Next question, please. In the meantime, anyone, any questions, please? Rakesh email sent, sir. Please check it. I'll wait.
Not yet received, but
Might be on
yes.
the way. Just now, sir.
Yes,
Just now.
on the way might be here.
I'll wait, sir. Any questions, please? I'll wait.
Hi, sir. I have received the email. Just a quick query. So we need to download both SQL Server 2022 and 2019?
Yeah, both. Because one thing, brother, let me be clear again why we need it. In our classes, we are going to learn something called remote joins, linked servers. Okay, concept 16 and 17. And also to understand the architecture, common table expressions, we need to have both servers with us. So download both. We are going to get them installed tomorrow in a single computer. So yes, you're right. We have to download both. And let me be clear again. I have given you the tomorrow's class notes also in advance. Just now sent installation notes. It has one diagram that gives us more clarity on how we need to travel from tomorrow together. Let me just show you here. This one, brother, on the screen. Your mobile has 2 SIM slots. Your computer has 2 servers. Okay, 2 servers one tool, just like 2 SIM slots, 1 keypad. You are right. Install both. Sorry, download both. We are going to do the installation tomorrow, 2020 to 2019, both in your computer. Yes.
Got it. Thanks.
Fine, Vikram. Next question, please. I'll wait.
What will be the timing for tomorrow's batch?
Yeah, same continues, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. for this entire MSSQL
Great.
module.
Done. Thank you. Yes, that's what I was. Yes.
Yeah. From tomorrow,
Thank
same
you.
link, same time. Okay, it continues. Rakesh. Yeah.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Next question, please. I'll wait. We'll stop for today. Any more questions, please?